Oh, thank you. Another baby rock.
Are you the rock collector?
I think I am.
Oh, another rock.
That's a good one. Oh. Yeah, okay. The rocks are sleeping. Can I let the rocks go to sleep right here?
No.
They want to go night-night.
No way.
Here, we'll just set them right here, okay? Okay.
I'm just sleeping. Too quiet. No. To go Juki. Go. Wait. I want this. Jackie.
Come on, we gotta catch up to Tegan.
No. What? Probably penny.
Oh.
I see.
Bless you, that's right. Oh, a little rock. What is that, Loki?
Oh, look, a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
Oh, butterfly in a tree.
Yeah, we got them on the tree.
A tree?
Yeah. Tegan's looking for a place to put them.
Right there.
There he goes. And Loki, we don't know where he went. Where's Loki? Loki! Where are you?
Oh, there you are.
Oh, where did Daddy and Loki go? Daddy, Loki. Oh, there you are. Hi, Loki.
This is my boy.
It's raining a little harder. We're trying to get back to the car fast. And Loki got tired. That's what Daddy's strong shoulders are for.